Hello there, and today I'm going to be drawing a drawing an elf character, or an elf girl character, and I decided to draw today because it's got nothing else better to do, so I decided to make this video. And for those of you who don't know, making these kind of videos is very fun because it not only gives me something to do, it also builds up my drawing skills and time stuff. I'm gonna draw as I draw the head. To draw eight. Wait, change the length a little bit. It's going to erase this middle part here because she's wearing a long dress. So it's like this. I'm going to draw her feet. That's better. And I'm going to draw her hands. Going to draw this. Okay, that's what I have so far, and I'm going to draw her hair. Going to draw. Now doesn't look right. Mind me if I'm doing a lot of corrections. I didn't drew this character in a while. I'm going to show you guys later that I actually drew this character in my other sketchbook. Going to draw the hair. Going to now draw her face. Mostly focusing on the drawing and stuff. Yep, and that's the character. Do a little bit more corrections. This is just minor corrections. Yep, and that's her. That's the elf character. I drew this character, like I said before, I drew this character before in my other sketchbook. Like this. personally, I believe since I wasn't on camera, I wasn't as nervous. So this character kind of looks better in this one. Gonna enjoy her earrings as well. Yep, it's the same character. Yep, and that's the character. Also, if you like my drawings, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. That will brighten up my day. And that's it.